Welcome students. Today we are going to learn about discrimination. Aim: to identify prejudice and stereotypes that lead to discrimination. To identify caste discrimination as it exists in our society and steps against discrimination. Now we will learn about important keywords in this lesson. Prejudice, stereotype, privilege, discrimination, caste, delete, and dignity. Again I repeat it. Prejudice, stereotype, privilege, discrimination, caste, delete, and dignity. Dear students, இந்த லெசனில் உங்களுக்கு புதுசான கீவேர்ட்ஸ் கற்றுட்ருப்பீங்க. ப்ரெஜுடைஸ் அண்ட் ஸ்டீரியோடைப் அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு புரிஞ்சுக்கிறதுக்காக உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஸ்மால் ஸ்டோரி சொல்கிறேன். பிரியா அண்ட் அருண் வேர் பிரதர்ஸ் அண்ட் சிஸ்டர்ஸ். பிரியா இன்டெலிஜென்ட் கேர்ள். அவள் வளர்ந்து பெரியவளாகி தான் ஒரு சயின்டிஸ்ட் ஆகணும் அப்படின்னு நினச்சிருக்கா. ஆனால் அவங்க பேரண்ட் என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணாங்கன்னா, பிரியா கேர்ள் சில்ட்ரனாக இருக்கனால நிறையா ஹவுஸ் ஒர்க்கை நிறையா கற்றுக்கறணும், பெரியவளாகி சீக்கிரம் மேரேஜ் பண்ணி கொடுத்துடணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி அவங்க திங்க் பண்ணியிருக்காங்க. அதனால் பிரியாவை கிச்சனில் பிரேக்ஃபாஸ்ட் ப்ரிப்பேர் பண்ணுறது, டீ போடுறது, க்ளீன் பண்ணுறது, ஹவுஸை க்ளீன் பண்ணுறது, இந்த மாதிரி நிறையா ஒர்க்கை பார்க்க சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஆனால் அவங்க பிரதர் என்ன செஞ்சுருக்காங்க, எந்த ஒர்க்கும் பண்ணாமல் நல்லா படிச்சிருக்காங்க. ஸோ இது மூலமாக நீங்கள் என்ன தெரிஞ்சுக்கிறீங்க? பிரியாவோட பேரண்ட் பிரியா சயின்டிஸ்ட் ஆக மாட்டா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நெகட்டிவாக அவங்களோட ஒப்பீனியனை தெரிவிக்கிறாங்க இல்லையா, அதுதான் ப்ரெஜுடைஸ். இப்போ பாய் சில்ட்ரன்னா நல்லா படிக்கணும், கேர்ள் சில்ட்ரன் ஹவுஸ் ஹோல்டு ஒர்க்கை தான் பார்க்கணும் அப்படின்னு சொல்லி நினைக்கிறாங்க இல்லையா, அது ஸ்டீரியோடைப். We read some sentences. Boys are better at sports than girls. Girls are good cooks. Boys don't cry. Girls are gentler than boys. People who live in villages are dirty. People live in cities are more intelligent than those in villages. How do you feel if you read these sentences? How would you feel if someone made fun of you or teased you? Sometimes people make fun of others who they think are different from them. We may hurt their feelings because we look down upon them. This may cause us to judge them negatively and not respect them. The sentences are based on our opinions and not facts. When we say that people who live in villages are dirty, we are passing a judgment about them without checking facts. Cleanliness is a habit that does not depend on where one lives, but on how one lives. When we think negatively about certain people without checking facts, we show prejudice against them. When we say that only girls are good cooks, we are forming an opinion of what we expect girls to do and not on what they may be able to do. Such a view about people is called a stereotype. It's not right to have stereotypes or prejudice about others without checking facts, because then we may be unfair towards them. Now you are understand what is prejudice and stereotype. Prejudice means having a negative opinion about a group of people. Stereotype means forming an opinion on people based on how we think they should behave. For example, when we say that boys don't cry, we create a stereotype about boys that even if they are upset or sad, they are not supposed to cry. When we have such fixed view about people, we don't allow them to do things they may be good at and deny them many opportunities. This leads to discrimination. Read the story in your content book. How do you think Rita felt about the way she was treated? Rita is being treated unfairly because she is denied the opportunity to take part in the annual sports event. Rita was hurt and upset by the way she was treated. It is not right to be unfair to someone just because that person is unable to walk, hear, speak, or see. They should get equal opportunities as others. There should be other games that they can play. We should stop thinking that those with special needs are any less than us. We can do this through special events wherein they can show their talent. For example, the famous music composer Beethoven was unable to hear. Yet, this did not stop him from composing some of the most beautiful music in the world. When we form a stereotype about those with special needs, we can discriminate against them. When they are discriminated against, it violates their dignity. Next, we will learn about how some people are treated badly or discriminated against on the basis of caste. Caste is a way in which our society was divided into groups based on the work people did in ancient times. Some people were considered to belong to the upper caste because they were priests, warriors, and traders. Those who did jobs such as cleaning garbage, sweeping, or working in funeral grounds were considered to belong to lower castes and hence considered untouchables. Bhimarao Ambedkar is being discriminated against by those belonging to so-called upper castes because he was a Dalit, that is, he belonged to a so-called lower caste. Nobody touched his family. The village washerman refused to wash their clothes. He was not allowed to touch the common tap in school and was made to sit separately from others. Dalits were considered to be inferior by the so-called upper castes because of prejudice. They were not allowed to enter temples and there were separate wells for them. If the Dalits broke these rules, they were punished. Hence, it was important to remove discrimination from our society. Along with our struggle against the British rule, our leaders felt the need to fight for equal rights for all. Those who wrote the Indian Constitution set some goals which would put an end to discrimination. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar was one of the main persons who drafted the Constitution. Untouchability is banned. Anyone who treats someone as an untouchable will be punished. Every religion will be given equal respect and people are free to follow their own religion. Everyone is free to speak their language, follow their religion and celebrate their festivals. Nobody can be discriminated against on the basis of caste, color, religion, place of birth, or whether one is man or woman. The Constitution alone cannot remove discrimination from society. In fact, even today, many people face discrimination for different reasons. Every person shall be free to go to any public place such as parks, museums, temples, and cannot be stopped from using wells and bathing ghats. Everybody should be free to take up any job. It is also our duty to fight against discrimination. We can do this by changing the way we think about others and treat everyone with the same respect and give everyone equal opportunities. Thank you, students.